Hey, what's up guys? Kenny from Spray Planet here. Today we're going to talk about our primers from the MTN Pro line series. We got our plastic primer, the white base primer, the Gesso Primer, and the EPS primer for styrofoam. Let's take a look at the EPS primer. This primer is ideal for styrofoam and similar porous surfaces. Before you spray on the primer, you want to wipe down the surface first, making sure that there's no dirt or debris on there that's going to get trapped. Shake the can vigorously for about 2 minutes, then do a couple test sprays to make sure you have a nice consistency. Hold the can about 20 centimeters from the surface and spray thin and even coats. We recommend at least 5, and allow 5 to 10 minutes to pass between each coat. When you're done priming, hold the can upside down and spray until you see a clear spray. This is to keep the tip from clogging. Now let's take a look at our plastic primer. As the name implies, this primer is perfect for plastic surfaces. You want to start by wiping down the plastic surface, making sure that it has no dirt or grease on it. Shake the can vigorously for 2 minutes. Then do a couple test sprays to make sure you have a good consistency. Start by holding the can about 20 centimeters from the object and spray thin and even layers. Make sure not to let the primer puddle or drip. When you're done priming, hold the can upside down and spray until you see a clear spray. Now let's take a look at the white base primer. This matte primer is ideal for use with wood, metal, and ceramic surfaces. As always, you want to start out by cleaning the surface, making sure it is completely void of all dirt and debris. This will ensure proper adhesion of the primer. Shake the can vigorously and do a couple test sprays to make sure you have a nice consistency. Hold the can about 20 centimeters from the object and use short quick bursts to lay down even coats, making sure that the primer does not puddle or drip. When you're done priming, hold the can upside down and spray until you see a clear spray. The last primer we're going to look at is the Gesso Primer. This fast drying primer is perfect for use with canvases. As always, you want to start out with a clean surface. Wipe down the canvas and make sure it is free of any dirt and debris. This will ensure proper adhesion of the primer. Shake the can vigorously and do a couple test sprays to make sure you have a good consistency. Hold the can about 20 centimeters from the canvas and use short, quick bursts to lay down several layers. Remember, allow 5 to 10 minutes to dry before laying down the next layer. When you're done priming, hold the can upside down and spray until you see a clear spray.